In this video, we'll walk through how to search for transactions on your people-driven credit union rewards credit account. First, go to transactions and select search for a transaction. You can search by name or keyword, and it'll pull up matching results with details like post date, original transaction date, city, zip code, currency, and original transaction amount. To view statements, go to Statements and select View Statement, then choose the month you'd like to review. A PDF will pull up with your entire statement for that month, which you can print or save. If you'd like to skip paper statements, you can go paperless anytime by clicking the Sign Up button. Stay tuned for more videos on getting the most out of your people-driven credit union Visa credit card.